Question number 1. Headquarter of International Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement is in. The right answer is Geneva. Question number 2. Capital of Yemen name is. यानी यमन की दारुल हुकूमत का नाम है. The right answer is Sana. यमन की दारुल हुकूमत का नाम सना है. Question number 3. Al Jazeera is the official news network of country. The right answer is Qatar. Question number 4. Whose scientist invented the telescope? The right answer is Galileo Galilei. Question number 5. The Andes is the longest mountain range in Dash. The right answer is South America. Question number 6. Arms and the Man was written by. The right answer is G.B. Shaw. Question number 7. Which country is called Land of Thousands Islands? The right answer is Indonesia. Question number 8. The river Thames is located in. The right answer is England. Question number 9. The capital of Cuba is. The right answer is Havana. Question number 10. The people of Oman are linked with which occupation? The right answer is agriculture. Question number 11. Which UN body deals with population problems? The right answer is UNFPA, यानी United Nations Population Fund. Question number 12. The total number of Great Lakes in the world are. The right answer is the total number of Great Lakes in the world are 5. Question number 13. Who wrote Hard Times and A Tale of Two Cities? The right answer is Charles Dickens. Question number 14. Montreal is a city of which country? The right answer is Canada. Question number 15. The capital of Bhutan name is. Answer. The capital of Bhutan name is Thimphu. Question number 16. The headquarters of FAO is located in. Answer. The headquarters of FAO is located in Rome. Question number 17. Arch of Janus is located in which country? Answer. Arch of Janus is located in Italy. Question number 18. Raja Git was written by. The answer is Raja Git was written by Banu Qudsiya. Question number 19. The last king of Afghanistan name is. The right answer is the last king of Afghanistan name is Muhammad Zahir Shah. Question number 20. The height of Nanga Parbat is. The height of Nanga Parbat is 8,126 meters. Question number 21. Ping pong is a new name of which sports? Answer. Ping pong is a new name of table tennis. Question number 21. When the whole world was covered in ice, it was referred as. The right answer is Ice Age. Question number 23. The old name of Japan was. The right answer is Nippon. The old name of Japan is Nippon. Question number 24. Vincent van Gogh was a dash. The right answer is Vincent van Gogh was a painter. Question number 25. Which ocean is present in the east of Asia? The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 26. The Academy Awards, also known as Oscars, was first presented in dash. The right answer is 1929. Question number 27. Golden Temple is a sacred place of which community? The right answer is Sikh community. Question number 28. The novel Angan was written by dash. The right answer is the novel Angan was written by Khadija Mastoor. Question number 29. Which country has the maximum of transboundary rivers? The right answer is Bangladesh. Question number 30 and the last question is Yellow River is also called dash. The right answer is Yellow River is also called Huang He.